Get into a car with value. 2023 Nissan Rogue. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, heated driver's seat, turbocharged engine, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Spacious comfort is surprisingly efficient in this well-designed Rogue. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.